guys, we're just going to be unboxing this controller right now. So here's the box. There's not much information around the box, by the way. And I do have a setup video that's separate. It's just an unboxing, so we're going to see exactly that, what's inside the box. And that's it. That's all we get inside the box. The manual, which you don't really need because you can just watch my video. And we get the awesome controller. So, how is this different than the original one? Well, it's just the color. That's about it. So I'm just going to put it side by side. So here we go. So here is the original. And this is this edition. Which, again, it's just a color difference. In my case, I need a replacement for my controller, so that's why I bought this one. Might as well get a different color one just to see how it looks. And the only port that we get is this here. It's USB-C, and same thing as your other controller. You would charge it or you sync it that way. The other side, you have this. That's for your audio, or your mic, I should say. Other than that, around it, there's nothing else. There's no more ports. And that's about it. Everything else is pretty much standard. There's no difference between this edition and the other one, just because it's a color difference. That's all you're paying for, just a different color controller. If you notice, this black here is slightly different than this black. Whereas the other controller would have this as white and this as black. On the back, there's nothing. Here's a top view of the controller, bottom view, and that's all really I can show you about the controller. There's not much more to show. This is just an unboxing video, but if you want to see this in action, I guess you can check out the setup video, just in case you're having problems syncing up your controller. But doing that is extremely simple. It's just about hooking it up with the cable that you already have. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.